Hello everyone, my name is Amaiki Chiku and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to checkmate with the knight. Now, in our previous video about check and checkmate, I explained that if a king is under attack, the black or the white pieces which is under the attack can take 3 approaches to escape from the check. So the attack is, let's say the attack is on the king this time around. So any attack on the king is known as check. Then once you cannot apply the following, capturing the checking piece, running away from the check, and also interposing or blocking the check, the position leads to a checkmate. Good. So in this situation, about knight is twist. It's kind of twisted in this situation. So when faced with a knight check, forget about the third option where you say, okay, you want to block the check. No. In this situation, when faced with a knight check, you can either kill the checking piece, which is the knight, or you run away from that scene. Now, other pieces can actually administer check from a far distance, such as the queen, the rook, the bishop. But for knight, it has to be within the area where the king is to give check. So it has that particular weakness. It has to be closer. So from a far distance, it can't give a check. So that's one of the weaknesses of the knight actually. Let's not go into that in this video. So let's see how can we give a check and a checkmate in this particular example on the screen right now. I can see the pawns, I can see the knight standing on c4 square. So one of the square I can move to is this particular square, b6. And I can also move to the d6 square. I can go to the e5 square, then e3, then down to d2, then down to b2, then also I can go to a3 and a6. But just this one square helps me attack the king. So once I move my knight from this particular square to that square that attacks the king, I think at this point in time the king can't do anything. The king can't run away from this scenario, and there's nothing to kill this particular knight. So here is a checkmate. Now, look at this example. We have to make a checkmate on the black king. The squares around the king are already taken by the pawn on b7. So the king is already appearing trapped. So what do? We need to create a check and a checkmate on this particular king. Now, the knight is standing on d4 square. The only square the knight can go to make a check and a checkmate is the c6 square. Knight move to c6 square gives a checkmate on the black king. Thank you. If you have really learned something from this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.